Hey, yo, what's up? It's me, Ezekiel, and I went to school at Ingog City Colleges, and I'll show you about my campus life. I wake up in the morning, and I eat breakfast, and I get ready and go to school. And I went to school. Sometimes classes are hard, but I always try to pay attention and write down important things and manage time. So important to the student, but I also always remind myself that learning is part of reaching my dreams. Listen, you, no matter how hard it is, keep going. Keep going to school because only you can achieve your dreams. But isn't just about studying. I also spend time with my friends. We eat snack at the canteen or just relax around campus. It helps me feel happy and refreshed. So that a little look at my life here at Ingog City Colleges. Balancing school and fun isn't always easy, but I am learning. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy seeing of my student life. Remember, no matter how trying school can be, always keep going and never stop learning. That's all to my vlog. And I'm going to home. Then sleep. Bye bye.